So I got a cool feature I want to show you guys, and it's called Clips. And it's in the Meta Business Suite, which you can take segments out of a video and you can create reels and stories. Now, it's not like the trim like you see on editing software where it just trim the beginning or the end. It can go inside of the video and get segments of it and create these reels and stories. Now, how you do this is what you want to do is you want to log into your Meta Business Suite and you come down here to content. Now, what you want to do is you want to pick a video that you want to create a clip with. So I'm going to do, what is this, TubeBuddy? Let's see. Okay, once the video has popped up, what you want to do is you just want to click on these three dots right next to the boost post. So you click that. And down here to the bottom, you got it where it says create a clip. Okay, once you have clicked that, you can see over here where you're in the clipping tools section, right? Where you got clip for the transcripts and you got review and publish right here. So what you can do is on the side here it has eligible for reels and stories, and that's based on the length here right here for the clip section here. And then you got this section here where it says revert to suggested, which means I think this is going to be like it's going to pick a section for you to clip, and it did a good job because I tried it before and it picked a good section inside of the video to where I can create a reels and stories. So I'm just going to tap it again, and that is it. So it says both eligible for reels and stories. So what you're going to do is you want to click next. Okay, so it done created the rear and it's also going to create the story for you. So what you can do also is you can put in some caption here for your rear, so you can put some text in here. Let's do all right, just put something in there, and what you could do publish right now, or you can even schedule it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna publish both of them right now, just for demonstration purposes, so y'all can see how it works. And I'm just gonna hit publish both of them. So that is it. So in just a few seconds here, it's going to create that rear and a story for me out of a video that I did with my phone. That's something also important to remember is that this works better when you use your phone as a recording than if you were to do it with a desktop, because it just wouldn't look right. I already tried it. It looks totally out of whack. So make sure that you got a long video that you recorded with your phone instead of on a desktop. Okay, as you can see that it has already created that rear right here. This is the rear video. And it's also, when you go over to stories, it has created my story also. You just scroll down and here it is right here down to the bottom here. So guys, if you're looking to get more out of your content than just creating just one video, then I would suggest using this feature here by the Facebook Clips. And now you can create 3 times more content with just one piece of content, one video. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.